In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can screen record on your iPhone 13 device. So let's just dive straight into the video. Now, the first thing we have to check is whether or not we have screen recording already enabled on the iPhone. So that's very easily done by just sliding down from the top right hand corner to the control panel. So by default, screen recording is turned off. So now we'll have to go and enable that feature. So that's very easily done by going into settings and then going down to Control Center. And if I just scroll down a bit, we now have the option for screen recording. So I'll just tap on that green plus, and this will now add screen recording to the Control Center. So I'll exit out of this, go back to the control panel. And as you can see, guys, we now have this new icon here for screen recording. Now, before we go and start recording, I just want to just share a couple of quick features which are really important. So by default, the microphone is automatically turned off when you screen record. So if you are looking to kind of record gameplay or whatever it might be, you will have to turn this on. So if I just go and press and hold onto this feature, I can go and turn the microphone on, which is now highlighted in red. And I can also select the place where the video will save. So by default, it's photos. However, you can also select other apps as well. So now I can exit out of this. And now if I ever want to start recording, all I have to do is just tap on this, and this will give me a slight countdown, 3, 2, 1. Now, if I exit out of this, this little icon on the top left-hand corner in red just lets me know that I'm currently recording my screen. So whatever I do, it will go and start recording. Now, if I ever want to stop, all I have to do is tap on this red icon and then press stop. Now, if I go to my Photos app, I can see my most recent recordings. So I can tap on this one. Now, if I exit out of this, this little icon on the top left. So as you can see now, we now have the video with the screen recording and the audio. So there you have it, guys. That's a really quick and easy way on how you can screen record on your iPhone 13 device. And this will also work for all iPhone 13 models, including the Standard, the Pros, and the Pro Maxes. So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you all in the next one.